Welcome to the TCC Library's online tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to format a student paper in 7th edition APA style. We'll start with the header, or what goes in the margins of your paper. The margins themselves should be 1-inch margins, which is the default for Microsoft Word. Unless you've changed your defaults, you should not have to adjust this setting. But you can do so by going to the Layout tab and clicking Margins. In the 7th edition, student papers only require a page number, which goes in the upper right-hand corner. To insert a page number, go to the Insert tab in Microsoft Word and then click Page Number. Choose the option that says Top of Page and click the option that shows a plain number in the upper right-hand corner, in this case, option 3. This will put a number at the top of every page of your paper. Next, let's look at the title page. Your title goes approximately 5 to 6 lines from the top of the page and is bolded and center justified. You can bold text by highlighting it and pressing the Control key and the letter B, or the Command key and the letter B on a Mac. You can center justify by highlighting the text and pressing the Control key or the Command key and the letter E. Skip about another 2 lines and add the rest of your heading. This includes, on separate lines, your name, the department or program your class is in, followed by a comma and Tallahassee Community College, the course code, followed by a colon, and the class name, your instructor's name, and the date in month, day, year format. The title page, like the rest of your paper, needs to be double-spaced. You can do this by highlighting the text and right-clicking on a PC, or holding the Control key and clicking on a Mac, and then clicking Paragraph. Under spacing, change it from single to double. You must add the title again, center justified and bolded, on the first line of the second page of your paper. Then you can begin writing the body of your paper. Like the title page, this needs to be double-spaced. The first line of every paragraph needs to be indented. Do not skip lines between paragraphs. Last, we have the References page. This is always on its own page at the end of your paper. The word References is on the first line of the page and is center justified. Like the body of your paper, your references are double-spaced and you should not skip lines between them. However, the References page has a different type of indent called a hanging indent. That is when every line is indented except for the first line of the citation, the opposite of what you do in the body of your paper. You can do this by going to Paragraph, which, to review, is done by highlighting the text and right-clicking or control-clicking, and then clicking Paragraph. Under Indent, go to Special and select Hanging. Another important thing to know about your References page is that it is alphabetized by the first letter or word of each citation. This is required and part of proper APA style. The word References on the top of your References page should be bolded. Finally, you may notice that I did not change the font to Times New Roman for this example. That is because in the 7th edition, APA no longer recommends Times New Roman, but accepts any standard font and size, such as 11-point Calibri, 11-point Arial, 10-point Lucida Sans Unicode, 12-point Times New Roman, 11-point Georgia, or 10-point Computer Modern. These examples are taken from page 44 of the spiral-bound 7th edition APA Publication Manual. For more information, please contact a TCC librarian.